Hi guys, welcome back to my another tutorial. If you're new to this channel, hello, I'm Simran. These are the brushes which I'll be using in this tutorial. These are the sponges which is used to get the vintage look for these paintings. So let's get started. Remove the outer cover of the canvases one by one. I'm using these super cute mini canvases. Aren't they super cute? I love the sizes. Firstly, apply white diluted paint with a flat brush on all the canvases. Start with burnt sienna with white color. For the surrounding of canvases, use the sponge to tap onto the edges of the canvases. Remember, we are not touching the center portion of the canvas. Maintain different sponges for all the colors which I'll be showing you further. Then add lemon yellow and white to the burnt sienna to get the ochre shade. Take another sponge and dip it inside the paint and tap on the edge. Next, pick up another sponge and dip it in burnt sienna and keep tapping on the surrounding of canvas. The overall idea is to get the different shades of brown to achieve the vintage look. Take a wet flat brush and just move a little bit towards the center to give the lighter brown shade on the surrounding of the center. Repeat the same process for other. Moving on to the last color, add black to burnt sienna to get the darker shade of brown. Tap the sponge only on the four corners of the canvas. Keep canvases next to each other to get the straight line. With small round brush with black color, start making the branches. Then start painting the birds. If you're not comfortable to directly paint, first draw the branch and birds with let me know what do you think. Did you really love it? And if you have tried, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Flickr Colors. Link is in the description. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.